In this video, we will be going over how to send the data received in the last video over UART to MATLAB. Turn back to the top design. Locate the UART SCB component in the catalog. Drag and drop it into the top design. Double-click on it and set the baud rate to 9600. Go to the CYDWR file and set the RX pin to P04 and the TX pin to P05. Now build the project to generate UART sources. With the project built, go back to the main.c file. Beneath the I2C start function, type in UART_1_start to enable the UART component. We will send only the XMSB data over UART in this tutorial. To do so, we will use the UART putchar function and pass in XMSB as the parameter. If we wanted to send the other axes, we would just call the UART putchar function again and pass in the other variables. Now we will program the board. For UART to work, we have to wire up some pins together. Adding on to what we wired up before in the previous videos, we will wire P04 to P12.7 and P05 to P12.6, like so. We will now write the script to receive data in MATLAB. Open up MATLAB. Once it is open, click on New Script. Title it PSOC4 I2C UART tutorial and start writing the script. This line in the script will delete all existing open serial ports to avoid possible port problems. Then we'll create a serial port object with a baud rate set at 9600. We'll discuss how to get the COM port later. fopen is used to connect the serial port object to the device. We'll put in an infinite loop so we can constantly read from the PSOC. The second parameter of fread is 1 because only XMSB is expected to be received. We will store what was sent over UART into XMSB raw data. Finally, we'll end the while loop. Now to find the COM port for the PSOC, open up Device Manager like so. Locate kitprog USB UART and take note of its COM port. In my case, it is COM16. This may be different for you. Replace the first parameter of serial on line 3 with a correct COM port. Take out the semicolon for XMSB raw data so we can see the data coming in on the command window. Now save the file and we'll test the script. Bring up the command window and hit the Run button located at the top of the script window. You can now see the data come in on the command window and respond to my movements. If you encountered an error, try restarting MATLAB, reprogramming the PSOC in PSOC Creator, and/or unplugging and plugging in the USB cable of the PSOC4. To terminate the script, go to the command window and hit Ctrl+C. If you'd like to output the data into a text file, add the following lines to the script. Create a first run flag and set it to 1. Within the while loop, create an if statement that checks if it's the first run. Use fopen to write to a file titled i2cxdata.txt. fprintf will create a header for the file that says x. End the if statement by setting the first run flag to 0. Next, have an else statement that uses fopen to append to the txt file. fprintf will then be used to put the xmsb data in the txt. We'll add a pause and end the else statement with an fclose. Now run the script for a couple seconds. When you terminate the script, go to the Current Folder tab on the left and open up the i2c xdata.txt file to view the collected data.